Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson. My name is Emma, and I am very happy to see you today.
Hi, friends. I'm Jake. How are you today? I hope you are doing very well.
Today is lesson number 4. In this lesson, we will learn how to talk about people. People we love, people who are important to us.
Yes, we will talk about family and friends. Family, friends. These are very important words.
Jake, I have a question for you. Do you have a family?
Yes, Emma. I have a family. I love my family very much.
My family. Listen again, everyone. My family. The word, my, is very important today.
My family, my friend, my mother, my father. We use my to talk about people who belong to us.
Excellent. Today we will learn 4 small words. My, your, his, and her. These small words are very, very useful.
Let's start with my. When I talk about myself, I say my. My name is Jake. My family is in America.
And I say, my name is Emma. My family is in England. My is for me, the speaker.
Now, your. When I talk to you, I say your name, your family, your friend.
Yes. Jake, what is your name?
My name is Jake. And Emma, what is your name?
My name is Emma. Listen to the pattern. Your name, my name, your family, my family.
Now, 2 more words. His and her. We use his for a man or a boy. We use her for a woman or a girl.
His father, her mother, his sister, her friend. Listen carefully. His is for boys and men. Her is for girls and women.
Let's hear a conversation now. Emma, can you tell me about your family?
Of course, Jake. I have a small family. My mother is a teacher. Her name is Susan.
Your mother is a teacher? That's wonderful. And your father? What about your father?
My father is a doctor. His name is David. He is very kind.
Your father is a doctor. Very nice. Do you have a sister or a brother?
Yes, I have one sister. My sister is a student. Her name is Lucy.
Her name is Lucy. That is a beautiful name. Is your sister your friend?
Yes, my sister is my best friend. I love her very much. Now, Jake, tell me about your family.
My family is in America. My mother is a writer. Her name is Mary.
Your mother is a writer. How interesting. And your father?
My father is a chef. His name is Robert. He cooks very well.
His name is Robert and he is a chef. Lovely. Do you have a sister, Jake?
Yes, I have a sister. My sister is a nurse. Her name is Anna. She is also my good friend.
Wonderful. Let's stop here and look at what we learned. Did you hear all the small words? My, your, his, her.
Yes, when I talked about me, I said, my mother, my father, my sister.
And when Jake asked me about me, he said, your mother, your father, your sister.
When we talked about Emma's father, a man, we said, his. His name is David.
And when we talked about my mother or my sister, women, we said, her. Her name is Susan. Her name is Lucy.
Let me try a sentence, Emma. Listen carefully, everyone. Your sister name is Lucy.
Wait, Jake. That is not quite right. We need a small word. Your sister's name is Lucy. Or, more simply, her name is Lucy.
Ah, thank you, Emma. Her name is Lucy. Her name, because Lucy is a girl.
Exactly. Let me try one too. His mother is a writer.
Yes, his mother. Because we are talking about me, Jake, a man. So you can say his. Or you can talk to me and say, your mother is a writer.
Perfect. Now let's listen to another conversation. This time, we will talk about a friend.
Emma, do you have a good friend? Tell me about your friend.
Yes, I have a very good friend. Her name is Sophie. She is from France.
Her name is Sophie. Nice. Is she your friend from school?
Yes, she is my friend from school. Her family lives in Paris. Her mother is French and her father is English.
Her mother is French and her father is English. That is a lovely family.
Yes, her family is wonderful. Sophie has a sister too. Her sister is 10 years old.
Her sister is 10. Very young. Now, Emma, I will tell you about my friend.
Please, tell me about your friend, Jake.
My friend is Tom. He is from Canada. His family is big. He has 3 sisters.
His family is big. 3 sisters. That is a big family.
Yes. His mother is a teacher, like your mother. His father is a farmer.
His father is a farmer. How interesting. So Tom is your friend, his mother is a teacher, and his father is a farmer.
Yes. And his sisters are very kind. I like his family very much.
Wonderful, Jake. You used his very well. Now, let's review our 5 new words.
Word number 1. Friend. A friend is a person you like very much. Maybe you go to school together. Maybe you play together.
My friend Sophie. Your friend Tom. His friend. Her friend. 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 Please repeat. Friend.
Word number 2. Family. Your family is your mother, your father, your sisters, your brothers, and more.
My family is small. Your family is big. His family lives in Canada. Her family lives in France. Family, family, family.
Word number 3. Mother. Your mother is the woman who is your parent. Mother.
My mother is Susan. His mother is Mary. Her mother is French. Mother, mother, mother. Please repeat. Mother.
Word number 4. Father. Your father is the man who is your parent. Father.
My father is David. His father is Robert. Her father is English. Father, father, father.
Word number 5. Sister. A sister is a girl or woman in your family. She has the same mother and father as you.
My sister Lucy. His sister Anna. Her sister is 10 years old. Sister, sister, sister. Please repeat. Sister.
Now let's review the grammar. Emma, ask me a question.
Jake, what is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mary.
And what is your father's name?
My father's name is Robert. Now, Emma, you. What is your sister's name?
My sister's name is Lucy. She is my best friend.
Now, listeners, let's try together. I will say a sentence. You change it. Ready? Listen. I have a sister. Her name is Anna.
Now you say it about a man. He has a sister. Her name is Anna. Yes, still, her. Because the sister is a girl.
Good point, Emma. Remember, his and her are about the person who owns, not the thing. His sister, her sister. Both are correct, depending on who has the sister.
Let's try one more. Listen. This is Jake. Jake's mother is a writer. So we say, his mother is a writer.
And this is Emma. Emma's mother is a teacher. So we say, her mother is a teacher.
Excellent. You are doing very well. My, your, his, her. Friend, family, mother, father, sister. These are your new words.
Before we finish, here is a small task for you. Think about your family. Think about your friend. Make 3 sentences. My mother is. My father is. My friend is.
Yes, please try at home. Speak out loud. Don't be shy. Your English is getting better every day.
In our next lesson, lesson number 5, we will learn numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and more. Numbers are very useful.
Yes, we will count, and we will also learn how to say our age. How old are you? I am 20. He is 30. It will be a fun lesson.
Thank you so much for studying with us today. You are doing great. Keep practicing.
Goodbye from me, Emma, and goodbye from Jake. See you in the next lesson. Bye.
Bye, friends. Have a wonderful day with your family and your friends.